Yes, and we're back. We are the Keto Gone Wild. What? Keto Alcoholics tonight. What are we making?
We're making some. Whatever.
Yeah, I gotta put down this beer. We gotta start cooking. Okay. Yes, we are making a keto low carb Stromboli. Yeah, because you say every day. You make pizza every day, and we're like, yeah, let's change it up. Let's do a Stromboli. It's the same thing. It's almost the same recipe. So let's get started. So first, look what we got. We got a bowl.
Wow, how
Mysterium
nice.
bowl from the Mysterium era. Okay. We got a bowl. Okay. Got all types of stuff here. So
start with what comes in it.
First, we're gonna make the fake dough because there's no dough.
No dough.
We're gonna put some mozzarella cheese.
Wow.
Boom.
Boom.
Look at that. Oh my God, that beer. Okay, so we have mozzarella cheese, and we got a little bit of cream cheese. So we're gonna put this in there.
Cheese.
Cheese. This is your dough.
Okay.
This is your dough on drugs.
This is your.
Any questions? Okay. So you're supposed to melt this. We're gonna put this in the microwave. Chef Mike's here in effect for, guess what? 1 minute.
And don't step on a kitty. We got an audience in kitty.
1 minute.
And he's watching you.
And you're wondering what's going on, guys. Why you keep looking down? Because we got a cat right here.
And he's
we got Paco Lou.
He's our only audience.
Yes, he's our audience. Our keto. We are the Keto Gone Wild. We eat with our cats. We don't have any dogs, but if we did, we'd be eating with them too. So he's gonna hang out here. What do you want something to eat, Baba? You want something to eat, Baba?
He's the secret recipe.
Okay, not today.
Not today.
Not today. Take notes. So.
Okay.
Right now that's melting. We're going to take this bowl when it's done. We're going to throw in some egg, a little bit of coconut flour, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Oh, that's hot. Okay, so we got this melted cheese right here, right? It's melted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop this bad boy in here. Look at that steam. Steaming.
Is that supposed to be that hot?
Yeah. Hot to trot.
We need some Stromboli. We need some.
So we're going to do that.
Peppers. We're
going to put some coconut flour.
Oregano.
Coconut flours. Put some of that. Boom, boom. Put some baking powder in here.
Hey, I want to add some.
Hey, not now!
Baking powder, that's a weed. Weed.
Stop it! That, and then we got the egg. So let's.
Now we got some pepper.
Okay, enough! Enough! So we gotta mix this. This is our dough.
Okay. How many eggs? 1 egg?
Don't worry about it. It's gonna be at the bottom of the screen. Right now we're not talking about this. We're making our dough.
1 egg.
Dough. Okay, so we got our dough ball, and we're gonna take it out. We're gonna plop it down here for our Stromboli.
All right, I guess I'm a bus girl.
We got our Stromboli. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll it out. We're going to roll it out like it's regular dough. And my hands are dirty, so I'm just going to lick them.
Finger licking good. So
what we're doing here is we're going to roll out the dough.
And I'm just standing here and drinking.
Okay, so now we got the parchment paper that we rolled out. This is our base of our Stromboli. Voila! Look, it looks like a pizza. Look at that. It looks like a pizza. So now Miss Wykked is going to show you how she's going to dress this Stromboli up.
First, I would like to put my favorite topping, which is mushrooms, and which I sauteed it. When you saute it and pre-cook them, you drain all the liquid out, so your pizza, whatever you're baking, it won't be mushy and wet. So like this, Our next ingredients is going to be, I'm gonna put a spinach in the middle. Okay. Okay. And then I have some good old ham, and I roast them a little bit. So again, all these things, they release liquid juice, so you don't want a soggy baked bread or pizza. Let's see what I have. Should have some kind of cheese. Yeah, that's mozzarella shredded. I'm gonna put it on top. Okay, because it's gonna melt. And let's see what else we have. Okay, our favorite cheese, feta. And I crumbled them earlier. It's about half a cup. It's gonna be delicious. Hope you guys like feta cheese. If you don't like the feta, you just use something else, like mozzarella. Now we use some green onions, spring onions. It'll give some flavor. And I have some shredded, not shredded, but dusted nutmeg. And that gives little nutty flavor. You don't have to put it, but I like it. I'm gonna do some black peppers. Always good to have some peppers. And then I'm gonna do a little bit salt. Actually, I don't even need the salt, you know why? Everything else is super salty. So I think this is pretty much done. Okay, so now we're gonna close this, turn into Stromboli. Okay. And look how easy it comes off. Okay. And you might want to push it on the side a little bit, so then it's evenly cooked. Okay. Now we're gonna do same thing on for the other side. This side. Okay. I'm going to push it down so that it stays, it doesn't fall apart. Okay. Voila. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold this in. Okay. Okay, so we did that. So I'm gonna do olive oil outside so it will get nice crispy brown. Okay, so I have this little thing. It allows you to minimize so you don't use a lot, in case if you use a bottle, sometimes I do, and you pour too much. So this is optional, guys. I mean, I like sesame seed, and they get nice and crunchy. It gives the flavor. I love my sesame seeds on just about every bread, pasta, everything. It looks good when you bake. It's impressive. Now we're gonna bake it for 20-25 minutes in 375 convection oven. You can see my low carb keto, so you don't have to worry about eating the half of it. It's still very low carb. So let's pop this in. Okay, let's have a look at it. I think our Stromboli is done. Done, you mofo. Nice. I like it. Hey, here's my another majestic meal that I made. It's Stromboli with no dough. It's made out of fathead pizza. Now we're gonna slice it. We'll see how it looks inside. Giving myself a hard time. Okay, guys, it's smoking. Mmm. Can't get better than this. How's it look like, guys? IPEK's another perfect